Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So today I'm going to fix few bugs that I have in my game. The first one is when I jump, that's okay, but when I continue to press space like this character keeps jumping even if he is in the air. So that's the first thing I'm going to fix, and the next thing is when I mount on the horse, as I go forward, as you can see, this bug happens. So this happens because of the 𝐒𝐴 system, the newly added 𝐒𝐴 system, and that 𝐒𝐴 system and the horse riding is contradicting. So I'm gonna address those two problems today. Okay, so let's first deal with the jumping problem. For that, I'll open my 𝐂𝐴𝐴𝐻 character, and there under basic input I have implemented this jump and dodge mechanisms. So right, this is where I jump, and so what I'm going to do is, well, these are not relevant to jumping, these are about dodging. So this is the two things relevant to jumping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a to_1 node here. So this part will be executed only once, and then again if I get the input here, it wouldn't be past this node until I reset this. Okay, so yeah, now I'll show you what happens. So now I can jump only once, and after that, even if I press the space how many times, it is not working. So now we need a way to reset this, and we stop jumping inside this on landed event here. So but this is outside this node, therefore I can just connect it like this. This is not a clean way, but I'll do it like that, and here I'll reset it. Well, you can clean up your code later, but let's see if that works. Right, yeah, now it is working. So even if I press multiple times, my character don't jump until he lands. Only after landing he can jump again. Right, right, so that problem is fixed, and I wanted to show you this because one of my followers in YouTube said they had this problem, and so I wanted to fix it, and I didn't notice that until he points it out, and thank you for pointing that out. Right, so the next thing is the host and 𝐒𝐴 contradiction bug. So this is my human character blueprint, and you may remember that last time inside animation blueprint for this character I implemented a toggle 𝐼𝐾 function, this one, toggle 𝐼𝐾. So here, based on this one, I enable and disable 𝐼𝐾 multiplier. So I'm going to use this, and using this I'm going to disable 𝐼𝐾 when I mount the horse. So I'll show you where I call the mounting and non-mounting. So yeah, this one. So here you see in this start interaction event, this is where the character mounts. and this is where character unmounts like this. If you don't remember about this event, you can refer to previous videos. So yeah, now we only have access to this rider, and yeah, we have access to the mesh as well, and here we can get an instance, and using that I can toggle 𝐼𝐾, and I have to disable it like this when I mount, and when I unmount I have to unmount or dismount. I think this dismount is the correct word. Sorry for my bad English. Okay, so yeah, here, so when I dismount I should again, let's get the mesh and get anim instance and toggle 𝐼𝐾, right, and let's append it here, and here we should enable it again. Okay, now let's see if that works. Right, now it seems alright, because I don't see any weird things happening. Okay, so yeah, that's all I wanted to do for today, and in the next episode let's start working on this horse IK system. Actually I'm not exactly sure how to do it, but let's see, let's figure out a way to do that. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. And if you like to support my work, you can go to my Patreon page. The link would be in the description below, and there you can join my Patreon club. And depending on the tier you join, you will have different privileges as I have explained here. Alright, so see you in the next video. Goodbye.